Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
Sugarcane is a tall grass native to Southeast Asia. It's prized for its sweet sap used in sugar production. It's also used for making molasses, rum, and biofuels, and is cultivated across tropical and subtropical regions globally. Sugarcane is one of the fastest growing plants, capable of reaching heights of up to 20 feet in just 12 to 18 months. Its rapid growth rate makes it a highly efficient crop for sugar production, yielding large quantities of sap per acre.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Specialty Eats, and today we have our special guest Alex.
Thank you for inviting me back. It's always a pleasure to return to Specialty Eat series.
And what will we be cooking today?
Today we have sugarcane. Normally sugarcane, you don't think of it as to use it for cooking. It's not an ingredient for cooking. And this is what it looks like, the raw material of sugarcane. It's very woody, quite fibrous. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to use sugarcane as the main ingredient to bring out the flavor of the sugarcane onto the dish. Okay. So the process is that the sugarcane has to be stripped of the outer layer, the so-called is bark, and what we have from the inside is the soft fiber with the sugarcane juice that makes the sugarcane sweet the way it is. And after we remove the bark, the sugarcane looks something like this. And this is already chopped and put into pieces. Okay. Our choice of protein is shrimp. Okay. What we are going to do is we are going to use shrimp and make it into paste and then wrap around our sugarcane sticks. And what goes into the shrimp paste, we have scallion, chopped, lemongrass, and some pieces of sweet ginger, young ginger, and about 3 cloves of garlic. Flour, okay, should be half a cup of flour, add into the shrimp, and then to make it sticky for glutinous, emulsify, we're using egg. Okay, put all of this ingredient and we are going to blend it in our food processor. At the end of the process, what we would have is a paste, something like this, with all these ingredients finely blended together. With this paste, what we're going to do is we are going to take our sugarcane stick and wrap it with the paste, and then we're going to deep fry it. Okay. So the way we are going to wrap it, we're going to put a stick, twirl it around in the paste so that it picks up the paste just like so. Okay, good amount. And then we set it aside before we do the rest and put it into the hot pot. You want to give it a try? Okay. Good amount, yeah. All right, okay. With the oil, we are going to put that in, okay?
And how does the sugarcane taste like?
Sugarcane is the raw material of sugar, so it tastes sweet, but it has certain aroma, the sweet aroma to it, that at the end of the process, after this is cooked, when we taste the shrimp wrap around it, we're going to have the taste or the flavor of the sugarcane. Okay. Right. Let's try to put that in to the hot oil. Be careful, it's hot, so let's take individual one and put it in. Okay, carefully so that you don't have splash. All right. Good one. Four. Put the heat on medium. Maintain it at medium so that you don't get it burned. Okay? All right. You can see as the shrimp paste gets cooked, you can see the color starts to change and it's becoming crispier in the process. All right, so let's turn it. And it should not take long because shrimp cooks quite fast in high heat. Okay, and we'll wait this for about a minute or so. Then we can start plating. There's no need to cover because deep fry. Let the aroma comes out. Okay, 2-3 minutes has passed, so it's cooked now. What we can do is we are going to take out our sugarcane stick and try to plate it.
And can you eat sugarcane raw?
You can eat sugarcane raw. You can squeeze, put it into a machine and squeeze out the juice from the sugarcane. What you have then is sugarcane juice and left with fiber. You throw away the fiber, or you can recycle it, make it into some of the products. In this case, we have the sugarcane stick. When we go through the tasting process, what you can do is you eat the wrap, which is shrimp, and you're left with the stick. You can chew on the stick and get the sweet taste afterwards. Let's take a look at our plated sugarcane wrap in shrimp paste. What we have here is a deep fry shrimp paste wrap in sugarcane. As you can see, it's not overcooked, just about right. I would describe it as golden. It's supposed to be a little bit crispy because we had some corn flour in it. Okay, so what we want to do now is to have a taste. As we go through the tasting process, we want to pay attention to the different types of ingredients that we put in. They should come out in your palate, and we can taste it. And let's see how you would describe it.
All right,
Let's have a taste.
Tastes very soft.
Okay. Soft.
Sweet.
The sugar from the sugarcane itself is released. What about other ingredients? What can you taste from it?
You could taste the shrimp and all the lemongrass.
The lemongrass comes out quite perfectly. It's not overpowering. It's not that strong. Just a hint of that citrus flavor in the lemongrass. And we get some scallion in it too, some garlic and ginger. Because of the amount that we put in, it's not overpowering. So this is quite tasty a dish.
Yes.
As a finger food, you do this serve it as appetizer, or you can eat it as snack. It's a salty dish. Apparently, it's not sweet. It's supposed to be salty, but the sweetness in the shrimp, as well as from the sugarcane, mixed together. So it's quite tasty. Okay, this is a very good dish to serve to your guest as a snack, as an appetizer, or you can have some drink on the side.
Well, Alex, thank you for being our special guest today. And with that,
Happy eating.